Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Filmora. Basically, run up any browser you want. This is going to be Microsoft Edge. If you want to use any other browser, that's perfectly fine. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google, and then with Google, type in Filmora download. Basically, we need to get to the Filmora website. Just wait for it to load right here, and make sure this is the official Filmora video editor. So for Windows 11 and below, free download right here, simply click on it and you'll have this application to install. Since I'm not gonna really click on it since I already have Filmora on my PC, so it won't overlap. Basically, just click on this one and then click on install. It's very step-by-step easy way to do it. So simply click on open file right there. Let me just try click it. So click on yes right here, and after clicking yes, you'll arrive on an installation platform. Just click on install, and you'll install on your PC Filmora. However, this is still a free version. So if you wanna have the paid one for all of the effects, right, like this one, Smart Cutout, this is actually for paid version. Simply go to the website and buy the paid version. So if you don't want to get the hassle for this one and you want to have a free one for the free subscription, I have a way for you. So simply go onto this website, get into PC, and from here just type in Filmora. So the website looks sketchy, but don't worry, it's actually safe. So just type in Filmora right here, Filmora right there, and you'll have this application right here. So just download anything you want here for free. Okay? It's basically the same process, clicking download and installing the application on your PC. So that's it. That's how you get or download Filmora to your PC. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.